Jolly Belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hagador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thi di ki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, haka jakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakam nya la ban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. The Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District Rossette M. KURBAH on Tuesday urged upon all residents of the district to get themselves vaccinated against the novel coronavirus, which has been known to mutate into various strains. Speaking to reporters, RM KURBAH informed that till date 56% of Bhoi residents have been vaccinated, while the rest 44% of the public are yet to come forward for the vaccination. The Deputy Commissioner added that the newest and deadliest strain of the virus, that has been named Omicron, is said to have been affecting people in more than one European country, and this has been a cause of concern to the central government of India as well as to all state governments in the country. Therefore, she urged upon members of the public to not hesitate but to vaccinate themselves before entry of the infectious Omicron strain of the coronavirus into the Indian subcontinent.
South Africa, European countries mentah kibri kebawan nang tu haka cari ajongi kemat hari India kita ya poi airport hi nim syak syuk bagian wan syani mentah namar bangi hab ban le ekata RT-PCR test yaki dan only la data long negative min pelai di airport min pelai syuk yaki ro de kani kade ka kamde kiska kam ka bangashuang dengan nak dan ko order yakin ni kibawan lagi ni kibihi kiba don kene ka virus min strict bah te ni kerpat dia sagawe rumah yaki nong song mentang ila pelai ki ni CCMC ru long kim yang syuk surok kumbayang last year ma dan ni request ki snong bakin nong long kusiar lada pin ong ru ya ki snong kin kit kiam ki nong song ki dalade kin pentip ya ki rang ba snong ya ki nong penyak snong lada don keno ka kinu lagi bahaya ni ki kun ki bawan pai ne ki bi nong we kin snong bah ban pentip se snong kenang ba ga snong kala ban penbiang ki jakasa lada don kam laneng kila ban pet hi ki kin syong hayang la jong ru kin pet bah kenang ba kinung mi sini satu hadut dadap di quarantine period ibas bus ni itu hiti dan don baik kadang ne kunjuk di kini ki kobuar ni ko aban share berarti bat ni kerpat bat kan tu pi baro bah pin sahaban cooperate lang bat ke district administration kenang bangila ban ni celebrate bangin yo kata Christmas ke besan bat ni puak syuk lada wan kata ke third wave ru lada ni baru ni lapat ya kata ke herd immunity nginum lockdown syuk nanda lada ni empat poi kata ke herd immunity ngimban sia ban hab lockdown biasa sia